In this video, we'll be describing the WebWay connectivity for the Guardall RX, QX and PX ranges, specifically the setup and integration for RS-232 serial. Auto take-on should have already been run. For more information on auto take-on, please see the relevant video guide. To integrate for serial alarms in remote service, the WebWay device is, in effect, taking the place of the Guardall GSR module. As such, the first step is to program the GSR code into the WebWay unit. To do this, simply use the push buttons on the side of the WebWay to scroll to menu G. Hit the C button and the display should read what is currently entered for this GSR code. To enter a new code, simply hold the C button until an underscore is displayed. Then use the A and B buttons to scroll through the digits, pushing the C button to enter each one. Once the last digit has been entered, press the C button again and the WebWay will save the new GSR code. Finally, tap the C button again to have the unit read back the value to check it's correct. To connect via serial to the Guardall panel, a special cable as shown is required. We at WebWay can provide this with the communicator. On the WebWay board, identify the RS-232 R and T terminals at the top right. Connect the yellow wire to the T terminal and the black wire to the R terminal. Finally, connect the green wire to the RTN terminal. Next, connect the red wire of the 9-way cable to any plus 12 volt terminal on the panel. Lastly, connect the 9-way connector cable plug to the Guardall RS-232 port on either the mainboard assembly or the external RS-232 module. On the keypad, enter into menu 11 for telephone number. On the first option for number, enter any 11 digits to populate the field. After that, ensure the GSR option is set to 1. The option for assist should be set to off, as should auto test. The option for attempts should be set to 1. The option for backup should be set to 0, and call repeat should be set to off. The option for alarm should be set to on, as should all further options on this menu. Once these have all been checked, tap the X button twice to return to the navigation menu. Next, go into menu 12 for GSR. The GSR serial number is the same GSR code that was entered into menu G on the WebWay unit. These codes must match for successful communication. GSR ID is the chip number or site ID used to commission the WebWay unit during auto take-on. The callback option should be set to off, but all subsequent options should be set to on until you reach pins RW. Pins RW should be set to off, A-log upload set to 0, exit time set to 1, KP message set to on, and virtual KP set to on. Press X to get back to the menu. The final settings are under menu 20 for System and menu 06 for Area ID. Start by choosing area number 0 and change the system ID to be the last 4 digits of the site ID or chip number. Once you've done that, go into area number 1 and then change the area 1 ID to be again the last 4 digits of the site ID or chip number. Press the X button 4 times to escape the menus and select 05 to log out. The programming is now complete and you should be ready to test alarms.